What's the meaning of citizen journalist? Citizen journalist. Citizen journalist.
Citizen journalist. Citizen journalist. Citizen journalism is the practice of regular people, rather than professional journalists, engaging in the processes of collecting, reporting, analyzing, and disseminating news and information. Citizen journalists use a variety of tools to communicate, including blogs, social media, and video platforms like YouTube. Their content can cover a wide range of topics, from local news and events to international issues. The rise of citizen journalism has expanded the sources of news and information available to the public, and has also raised questions about the quality, accuracy, and reliability of such content.